Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a Pokemon TCG Pocket Hack with unlimited everything, Pokegold, shop ticket, all that crap. So as you can see, I got it all. So if you want to be like me, just go over to this website, guys. It's called tweakmod.com. Actually, I don't believe this is the site. It is hexmods.com. So this site has a bunch of modded apps and stuff. It's super insane. So once you're on the site, guys, we're just going to type in Pokemon, and there is going to be a couple of them. So obviously go for the one called Pokemon TCG Pocket and press download, and then it will download it. So I do want to say that before it downloads, guys, there's usually a page that comes up that says some of the files are missing for the download. But I'm going to show you guys how to bypass this because it is super easy and you will not have to do much. So basically what will happen is it's going to say missing files. Please install the missing files to get the Pokemon TCG Pocket Hack, right? So there's going to be all these apps. You got to download 2 of them. So just press on the app and it'll bring you to the Play Store, right? I don't know why it's this bad gateway, but anyway, that's how to do it. So I'm on an Android phone. If using an iPhone, it will bring you to the App Store. But like the golf game says reach level 2. This one says reach level 10. I mean, they're very easy to do. So just do 2 of them, guys. And then the Pokemon TCG Pocket Hack will install. There is a video to watch. So if you're confused, you can watch the video. But yeah, it's super insane, guys. As you can see, all the Pokegold, all the shop ticket, everything is free, guys, in Pokemon TCG Pocket for me because I have this Pokemon TCG Pocket Hack. So just download 2 of the apps. It's very good and it's super easy. And if one of the apps is not your style, there are so many to choose from that you will never be able to say that you couldn't do it because there's at least one of these that is easy enough for you to complete. So I'll see you later and peace out.